This is a loop system for a Kingsbury 22 drilling unit and 23 tapping unit. I'm going to show you the assembly and then I'm going to show you each part individually. To start with, this is the cap that covers it all from the front of the unit. When you take that cap out, it'll expose the pump, the spring, the plunger. This is the pump assembly, which pumps it out this check valve up to the feed gear side of the unit, and it pumps it to this oil window, which takes it down to this junction. That junction takes it to 5 different spots in the unit. Okay, to start with, on the manual page 901 through 978 parts, we have 955, the B1096 junction, 956, the B7039 meter unit, you need 2. 957 is the B1095 nut, you need 2. 958 is the B1061 sleeve, you need 7. And B959, 959, which is B1371 bushing, you need 5. The strainer, which is down in the reservoir in the back, and the copper tube comes up to this bushing, is number 434 in the manual. It's 22-100 strainer. 435 is the check valve, B3805. That's that valve right there. The pump assembly starts with number 511 in the manual. It's 2252 retainer, 512, 2253 spring, 513, 2254 pin, 514, 2251 plunger, 515, 11012 O-ring, which is right there on the plunger. 516 is 12-100 gasket, which is that gasket right there. 517 is 11115 O-ring. It goes in that slot right there. 518 is the 22952 pump body, which is this pump body right here. 519 is the 22436 screw, which is this cap. And this oil window assembly, which we sell as an assembly, is 687 in the manual, 22-229 gasket, 688, 22-90 window, 689, 22-320 oil window, which is the glass, 690, 22-298 gasket. Again, we sell that as an assembly to make sure there's a proper vacuum. We also have the copper tubing, which is 5/32 copper tubing. 668 in the manual is the pump cam, which operates the whole pump assembly, which makes the rod go in and out on the pump body once per cycle.